Tiny house was always a dream of mine. It's extremely expensive for a young couple to build or buy a house nowadays. Yeah. So this was logical, just came natural to us.
This 15 square meter tiny house was built only in 6 months by a young couple. Have a kitchen with 4 gas burner stove, oven, kitchen hood, baby bed, queen size bed. Under the bed you have lots of storage. It comes all the way out from the under the bed. Here you have L-shaped sofa, which can be used as an office as well. Below the table is a gas heater. Have IKEA flip-up table, ladder to the loft. Have another queen size bed up there, wardrobe. Bathroom with composting toilet, baby changing station, and self-built bathtub. And how much did you spend building this tiny house?
So we didn't really kept up with the bills. We didn't track it well, but we think it's around 25 to 30,000 euros. Yeah.